Welcome to my channel, DIY with Aurea. Today is another open playlist with several of my friends. I'm going to talk to you about that a little later. Today I have this scrapbook paper and this is the one that I'm going to be using. I also have the Tree of Life. I'm going to be placing that stencil right on top of this scrap piece of paper, and with a makeup brush I'm going to start filling it in with this khaki color from Apple Barrel, and it is acrylic paint. I purchased this beautiful frame at a thrift store. I don't even remember how much. I know that I have it for several years now. I'm going to be disassembling it and I'll be wiping it with a alcohol pad. I'm going to make sure that it's nice and clean. And then with a little bit of hot glue in each corner, I'm just going to put one dot just to make sure that this paper does not wrinkle. And the only reason why I'm doing this is so this paper does not move inside the frame. I also have this ribbon and I have two options. Which one do you like best? This one with lace. I think this is cute, but I decided to go with this one that has two stripes. I'm gonna start placing them with one dot of hot glue on all four corners. And now I'm going to go ahead and put this back together, and this is it. Let me know in the comment section your thoughts. I hope you have enjoyed this simple project. Today is another open playlist, and it is being hosted every month by Amanda, 6 Kiss and a Glue Gun, along with Brenda, Rustic, and Lacey DIY. And today we are to create minimum of 3 DIYs of our choice. And I'm going to be leaving the links directly to their channels down in my description box along with a playlist. Please make sure to go ahead and visit them. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and like. And now project number 2. For this project, you can find this at Dollar Tree. I'm going to begin by removing this word from here. I'm going to remove it carefully, applying some heat only because I am going to be using this for a future project. Once removed, I'll be sanding and giving one coat of white chalk paint to all 3 pieces. And these wall stickers, look how gorgeous. You can find these at Dollar Tree. I'm going to put one sticker on each plaque, and this is going to be going for my daughter's bathroom. I am really liking this little project. Something simple yet so pretty. And for you guys that don't know who this little beautiful baby girl is, her name is Diva. She was feeling under the weather last week. I had to take her in to the clinic so she could be checked out. She was not eating and she lost weight. I got really concerned, so I took her to her vet. They ran some blood work, and yes, they told me that she lost some weight. She lost some teeth, some more teeth, and also she had an upper respiratory infection. She is a lot better now. She is eating, and look at her. This is my little baby girl. So adorable. She is adopted. I adopted her when she was a year and 8 months, and she is going on 13 years old. Oh my goodness, my little baby girl. She is getting up there in age. And getting back to this project, this is the last sticker. This is so beautiful. I really like the way this turned out. And again, I'll be distressing all 3 pieces with black chalk paint. And once I'm done distressing this will be it. I am hoping that you have enjoyed this second project. Let me know in the comment section which is your favorite so far. And if you have enjoyed it, don't forget to give me that big thumbs up. I truly do appreciate when I see you guys giving me that big thumbs up. And not to mention that it does help my channel. So, and what do you think? You think my daughter will enjoy this? I think so. And here is the final reveal. For this next project, I am going to continue to use more wall stickers. I'm going to be separating several of these words, and then I'll be placing them on this beautiful board. I also want to extend my gratitude to each of you who has become part of this channel, to both current subscribers and those yet to join. I'm inviting you to subscribe. On this channel, you'll find a blend of farm decor, elegancy, garage sales, thrift flipped, and creating Dollar Tree transformation, budget friendly and captivating. If this resonates with you, feel free to hit that subscribe button. And you can also follow me on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. Coming back to these beautiful wall stickers, I'm gonna go ahead and place them wherever I think they look nice. I went and I relocated some of them only because I wanted to make sure that these stickers that I have were going to fit nicely. I have more stickers of the same. Sometimes I go to the dollar store and I buy stuff and I forget that I have. How many of you guys have done that? I do it all the time. On this particular case, I was happy that I bought it twice because I was able to craft more than one project. I'm also going to be adding a pretty bow, and I will be distressing the corners. And this is it for this project. I hope you have enjoyed it. Look at this huge snowflake. I'm going to be giving it one coat with white chalk paint. I also want to give you a quick reminder. This is part of a playlist. Please make sure to go down in my description box once you watch my video and give these talented creators a lots of love by subscribing, sharing, and liking. Now that the snowflake is completely dry, I'm taking 2 of these wood blocks and I'm going to be placing it right in the middle with hot glue. And the charger that you see there, I'm repurposing it. I did something like this last year. I decided to go ahead and reuse it again. And with more hot glue, I'm going to be placing this snowflake right in the middle of the plate. I also have a second snowflake. I'm going to be painting this one in black, and then with more hot glue I'm going to be placing it on top of the big snowflake. But before then, I'm placing a wood bead. And this is it for this beautiful DIY. I hope you enjoy it.
Please God, give them strength. Please God.
Moving on to our fourth DIY, I'm going to continue to use these wall stickers. And again, I'm going to be separating these words. And I'm going to be creating a wall picture with this tray. So I'm going to go ahead and place these little stickers inside the tray. This is going to turn out so pretty. This one was nice and simple. If you are going to be selling this and you want everything to be uniform, then you could go ahead and use some Mod Podge just to make sure that the stickers you are not able to see. But because I'm going to probably be repurposing this in the future, I'm going to leave it just as is. But yes, I am going to turn this picture frame around and I am going to be adding some jute twine. And like that, we can hang it on the wall. Thank you, amazing viewers, for sticking around until the end of my video. A huge gratitude to my dedicated subscribers for their unwavering support. You're the backbone of this channel. To my future subscribers, your anticipated presence is what fuels my creativity. Your collective encouragement allows me to embark on existing projects that I can't wait to share with you. Wishing everyone a heartfelt thank you and a happy new year's filled with joy and success. And here is the final review. I hope you have enjoyed it and you have a happy new year's.